single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something.
So to start up, I'm using the makeup magnesia to just prime my face. Very quickly, I'm going to use my mini handy fan to just let it dry. I already primed my face. I'm going to use this classic foundation, this classic mattifying concealing foundation in the shade 5. So to blend my foundation, I'm going in with a beauty sponge to do that. So next, I'm going to be highlighting my face using the Elegant Pro Concealer in medium beige. This concealer is really nice, and I actually want my highlight to be light. Underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cubic bow, my chin, and my forehead. That's literally where I'm highlighting. And I'm blending it with that same beauty sponge I used to blend my foundation. So to set my face, I'm using the Ben Nye powder. I use any. I'm not really a baking fan, believe me. I'm just using this wedge to just place it, and I'm going in with the underside of my beauty blender to just press the powder in and all of that stuff. But like that. So to contour, I'm gonna be using this brush to contour. So to contour my nose, I'm using this brush and that same powder to contour my nose. I'm not sure how I like my nose contour though, if extremely dark or not dark, because there are some days I just want it really soft, there are some days I want it really hard. Contouring the bridge of my nose. Yeah, I'm just blending it in. So for blush, I'm taking this angle this angle brush. Yeah, you can see that. I'm using this blush and this. I'm mixing these two blush, and this is number 4 and number 8. I'm so hyped today, I beg. I'm hype, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. Crying to be happy. No, it's not crying. I'm happy. I don't want to let anybody steal my joy today. And same goes to you. Don't let anyone steal your joy. Yeah. So for highlights, I've been loving this highlight lately, and it's the Any Lady 3D highlight palette, and I'm going in with rose gold. Do you want to play with this? This thing is so nice. You want to come and blind yourself? Haters, you want to come and blind yourself? God, this thing is so nice. Like, see how popping and 3D it is. That makes sense. Oh my days. I literally want to bathe in this highlight, believe me, but I'm gonna use this brush. Yeah, this brush, and I'm taking that same rose gold and I'm putting it in my tear dot just to let it. I'm not using anything under my eyes, and apparently I'm not using eyelash today. Oh my god, why is this highlight popping like this? Calm down, Ujeri, calm down. Ujeri, calm down. Where's that accent coming from? Calm down. Ogini, calm down. I'm having fun, I swear. I think I'm more like loving more loving what I'm doing, but I feel I'm more comfortable doing what I'm doing right now, doing this video, because my past video, I know I'm not really comfortable. I'm trying to be comfortable, but now I think I am extremely getting comfortable with what I'm doing. I hope that makes sense. It does. I'm gonna take this what's it called, the Oceans. It says the Oceans lip pencil in number 3. This is what it looks like, and I love this pencil like so much. So I'm gonna go in with this nude. I don't know the name. The name has peeled off because I've had this lipstick for the longest time, believe me. Hey, guess who's gonna pop today? Guess who's gonna pop? I'm excited. Nothing gonna steal my joy today. I say nothing gonna steal my joy today. Except my face, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Beauty makeup. I'm gonna be using the Kiss Beauty Make It Dewy Primer Spray. It says hydrate and illuminate and set as well. This stuff is true to what it says, believe. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll get an alert when I upload when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I love y'all.